Hey there, fishing enthusiasts. Have you ever come back from a successful fishing trip only to find that your car now smells like a fish market? Don't let that pesky fish smell ruin your day. I've got your back with a step-by-step guide on how to get fish smell out of your car. So, buckle up and let's dive in. But first, what are the tools and materials you'll need to complete this task? For the full list and where to get them, check the description and pinned comment below. Now that you have all your tools and materials ready, let's get rid of that awful smell. Get rid of it! 1. Remove any fish debris. First things first, let's get rid of any visible fish remains. Grab a vacuum cleaner with a hose attachment to reach those tight spaces and corners. Focus on the seats, floor mats, and trunk, and don't forget about those pesky crevices. Oh, and if the vacuum doesn't quite catch those large pieces of debris like scales or bones, don't worry. Just use a broom or a small hand brush. And for tiny bits like fish bones, tweezers will do the trick. Be sure to give the air vents a good clean too, or you'll just circulate that fishy smell. 2. Wipe down the affected surfaces. Now that the physical evidence is gone, it's time to scrub-a-dub those surfaces. Grab some clean, damp cloths or paper towels, and a bucket of water with a mild detergent, like dish soap. Trust me, you don't want to damage your car's interior with harsh chemicals. Gently scrub the affected areas, paying attention to all the nooks and crannies. For stubborn smells, use that detergent solution we mentioned earlier. Just be careful not to oversaturate the surfaces, and remember to wipe them dry afterward to prevent moisture buildup. 3. Sprinkle baking soda on the affected areas. Next up, we'll call upon the magical powers of baking soda. It's natural, effective, and cheap, a triple threat against fishy odors. Sprinkle a thin layer of baking soda onto the affected areas, using a sifter or strainer for even coverage. Let the baking soda work its magic for several hours, but remember to protect any sensitive electronics with plastic wrap or bags. You don't want to cause any damage. 4. Vacuum and clean the surfaces again. Once the baking soda has done its job, vacuum it up, making sure to get every last bit. Then, give the surfaces another wipe down with a damp cloth or paper towel, followed by a thorough drying to prevent any moisture-promoting bacteria growth. 5. Use a car odor eliminator. Still smelling fishy? Time to bring out the big guns, car odor eliminators. You can find these sprays at auto supply stores or online. Just be sure to follow the label instructions and safety precautions. Remember, some people might be sensitive to the chemicals, so use gloves and masks if needed. 6. Open windows and doors. Now, let's air it out. Open up those windows and doors to let fresh air circulate and neutralize any lingering odors. If you can, park your car in a well-ventilated area for even better results. 7. Get your car professionally detailed. If all else fails, don't lose hope. Consider getting your car professionally detailed. Those pros have the tools and products to tackle even the most stubborn fish smells. There you have it, folks. Now you know how to get fish smell out of your car like a pro. So, next time you're back from a fishing trip, you can enjoy your catch without any lingering fishy odors. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more awesome tips. Catch you later. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you liked it and found it useful. If so, please like, share, and comment to let me know what you thought. Your feedback is important to me. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss any of my upcoming videos.